So good morning students. Today we will continue examples of derivative of implicit functions. Okay. For example, consider continuation of a implicit function examples. So derivative of find or differentiate ax plus by square is equal to cos y. If ax plus by square is equal to cos y, then find dy by dx. Solution of this example. So 2 marks, very important part. So here given function is a implicit function, that is given ax plus by square is equal to cos y. Now differentiate this function, we get a is a constant, so constant x differentiation is 1 plus b is constant, so b is constant, y square differentiation, so 2y into dy by dx is equal to cos y differentiation. Cos differentiation is a minus sin y into y differentiation dy by dx, because we know that d by dx of cos u differentiation, we have minus sin u into du by dx. Comparing these two, cos y and cos u, in place of u we have y, so therefore cos y differentiation is minus sin y into dy by dx. So this implies a into 1 is a plus 2by into dy by dx is equal to minus sin y into dy by dx. Now transfer this a to RHS side and transfer this minus sin y to LHS side. We get sin y into dy by dx plus 2by into dy by dx is equal to minus a plus a becomes minus a, and this minus sin y becomes plus sin y. So here in the LHS side dy by dx is a common, take it outside, we get dy by dx into sin y plus 2by is equal to minus a. Here we have to find the value of dy by dx. So therefore this implies dy by dx is equal to minus a whole divided by sin y plus 2by, which is our required solution. Note it down. So next example, here if x into y plus y square is equal to tan x plus tan y, then find dy by dx. So solution, here it is also an implicit function. So given here, given x into y plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. So here it is a product rule, and we know that the product rule differentiation d by dx of u into v is equal to first function constant, second function differentiation plus second function constant, first function differentiation. So here in the place of u we have x, in the place of y we have, in the place of v we have y. So differentiating this function we get so x into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx, that is nothing but 1. X differentiation is 1. Again by using y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx by applying u to the power n formula. D by dx of u to the power n is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into dy by du by dx. So here in the place of u we have y, in the place of n we have 2. So therefore differentiation of this one is 2y into dy by dx, and tan x differentiation is secant square x plus y differentiation is dy by dx. Okay. Next, simplify this one. x into dy by dx plus y plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to secant square x plus dy by dx. dy by dx ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. So y transfer this one to constant term to RHS side. We get here x into dy by dx as it is plus 2y into dy by dx as it is. So transfer this dy by dx to LHS side. We get minus dy by dx is equal to, here in the RHS side we have sec square x, secant square x. So transfer this y to RHS side, we get minus y. So here in the LHS side dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx is common. Take it outside. We get dy by dx is equal into x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to secant square x minus y. That's all for dy by dx. We get dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus 1 whole divided by x plus y 2y minus 1, which is our required solution. Note it down. So next example, if x cube plus x square y plus x into y square plus y cube equal to 81, which is a implicit function, and here also we have to find dy by dx. The solution of this example. So here given is x cube plus x square y plus x into y square plus y cube is equal to 81. Differentiate this one with respect to x. We get x cube differentiation is 3x square. 3x square, because we know that definition, the formula d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. By using this formula, we get here 3 into x square, because in the place of n we have 3. So 3 into x square plus, again by using product rule, d by dx of u into v is equal to first function constant, second function differentiation, dv by dx plus second function constant, differentiation of first function, that is v into du by dx. By using this formula, we have to differentiate this one. Here in the place of u we have x square, in the place of v we have y. So differentiating this one, we get first function is constant, that is x square, y differentiation is dy by dx plus again here second function is constant, second function is y, differentiation of x square is we have 2x. By using again first formula d by dx of x to the power n, we get 2x. Okay, plus again here also x into y square, again I am going to use this only formula u into v rule. So we get x is constant, y square differentiation 2y into dy by dx plus y cube differentiation, plus y square constant, x differentiation is 1. So plus last function y cube differentiation, again by using u to the power n formula, d by dx of u to the power n is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. In the place of u we have y, in the place of n we have 3. By using this formula, we get 3y square into dy by dx. So equal to RHS function, it is a constant, and we know that constant differentiation is 0. Differentiation of a constant, c is any constant, d by dx of any constant is 0. So this is a 0 RHS side. Okay, now simplify this one. We get 3x square plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy plus, here second bracket, 2xy into dy by dx plus y square plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Here we have x square dy by dx, 2xy into dy by dx and 3y square dy by dx. Dy by dx is common, so take it outside. Dy by dx. We remain with the x square plus 2xy plus 3y square is equal to Now transfer this 3x square plus 2xy plus y square to RHS side. Here we get minus. So minus of 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. Okay. So this implies dy by dx is equal to, here in the RHS part I will take it minus sign outside. So we get, so minus of 3x square minus plus 2xy plus y square whole divided by, we have x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, which is our required solution. Note it down. So next example, if root x plus root y is equal to root 10, then show that dy by dx plus square root of y by x is equal to 0. This is a very important form. Okay, very important form. Okay, solution. Here given root x plus root y is equal to root 10. And we know that now differentiate this equation with respect to x. We get root x differentiation is, and we know that 1 upon 2 root x, because by using d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1 formula. Because here x, root x can also be written as x to the power 1 by 2 d by dx of x to the power 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 1 by 2. X to the power minus 1 by 2 in denominator tode, we get 2 root x. So that is 1 upon 2 root x. Plus here also root y, 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx. Because by using d by dx of u to the power n is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Here in place of u we have y, in place of n we have 1 by 2. Root can also be written as y to the power 1 by 2. So therefore 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to root 10 is constant. So differentiation of constant is 0, because we know that d by dx of a constant, differentiation of any constant is 0. Here root 10 is a constant. Don't write 1 upon 2 root 10 because it is a constant. Okay, so therefore it is equal to 0. Now simplify this one. We get 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to, transfer this 1 upon 2 root x to RHS side, we get minus 1 upon 2 root x. So for dy by dx, we get dy by dx is equal to, transfer this 2 root y to RHS side, it will goes to numerator 2 root y divided by 2 root x. Here 2 get cancelled. We remains with only dy by dx is equal to root y divided by root x, can also be written as minus of root of y by x, because we know that root a divided by root b is equal to whole root of a by b. So therefore root y divided by root x can also be written as root of y by x. So here we have to show that dy by dx plus root of y by x equal to 0. Now transfer this one to LHS side, it will become plus. So therefore we get dy by dx plus square root of y by x is equal to 0. Hence the solution. Note it down. So next example, if y plus sin y is equal to cos x, if y plus sin y equal to cos x, then find dy by dx. So solution, here given is y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. We get y differentiation is dy by dx plus sin y differentiation is cos y into dy by dx is equal to cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, here sin y, it is in the form of a sin u differentiation. Okay, So sin u, we know that d by dx of sin u equal to cos u into du by dx. In place of u, we have y. So therefore, cos y into dy by dx equal to, as usual we know that differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now, so for dy by dx, here in the LHS side dy by dx is common, take it outside. So we remains with 1 plus cos y is equal to minus sin x. So for dy by dx, we get dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y, which is our